Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Apple battery pack is not sticking to your iPhone and it's not charging your iPhone. And there's only one good reason why this is not working and why it's not sticking to your phone. So the only reason why it's not sticking to your phone is because of this right here. Your iPhone needs to have MagSafe, and only the iPhone 12 and further on have MagSafe. So if you have an iPhone 11 or lower, your iPhone is not compatible with the MagSafe and also just not with the Apple battery pack because it needs MagSafe. So that's the reason why your iPhone is not sticking to your battery pack and why your phone also isn't charging with the battery pack. So yeah, that's the only thing I have to tell you guys. Unfortunately, all you can do is if you have an iPhone 11 or lower and you bought the Apple battery pack, is you can either return it or you need to use a higher end iPhone. So you need to buy an entirely new iPhone, unfortunately. So yeah, that is a reason why your Apple battery pack is not sticking to your iPhone. I hope I gave a clear reason why, and I hope this helps you. If it did, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I'll see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.